Bro, this entire morning briefing sent to me at 7 a.m. this morning, including whether my calendar, emails, and the trending topics for DeepSeek V4 was sent by adaptive.ai. And if you're wondering what that is, just give me 10 seconds to explain what that is. So we have ChatGPT, as we know, there's a chatbot, you can go ahead and chat. We have Cursor, we can go ahead and make our own code, which is great. But Adaptive is different. You just ask it, you just say what you need, and it's going to design for you. How beautiful is that? So there are 3 steps to go ahead and using Adaptive. Just describe what you need, connect your tools, and the agent handles the rest. It's like an overpowered OpenClaw or PaperClip. It's so amazing. I'm not affiliated to them, but this is something I think you have to know it. And you can see that it is all compliant as well. So let me go ahead and show you how I created that morning appraisal, and then you'll be able to appreciate the thing. Let's see. Okay, let's get started. We go to adaptive.ai and just click here. And let me send this. I select Adaptive. Send me an intelligent morning briefing every day at 7 a.m. on weather, my calendar, urgent mails, trending topic, Gmail, Google Calendar API to set this up. So I send this over. Let me check your integrations and read the platform docs before building anything. Need to request the Google Auth success with the right scope. Let me request a Google connection with the right scope for Gmail and calendar. So I go ahead and give it access. Give it access to my email. Wants to access your computer. View your email address and see and download any calendar related things. Pretty safe things that we're allowing. So just allow. To build a morning briefing agent, we need this. So read Gmail, calendar read, then we have Gmail read. So 7 a.m. weather for your location, today's events, 100 emails, trending topics in my industry. Your city, it's asking for more information like your city, your industry. Let's go ahead and type that this is my particular city. By the way, it's my actual city. Then the news could be like AI tech and maybe LLMs. It's working up the magic. We just had to give an idea. Perfect. Guwahati, I tech LLM. Let me delegate the build now. The build is on. Here is what's doing in the background. Scaffolding the morning brief, writing up the agent here, deploying an HTML email and running a live test. A couple of things to confirm. Email destination. Yeah, this is the email that I want. Industry depth, human model release, research papers, startup fundings. I'll keep it broad. Let me go ahead and write that destination is okay. I can say model releases, papers are good. Startup funding, maybe I can reduce that, not that much. So I send this command over. Got it. Model releases and research papers are the focus. Background agent is still working. I'll send a test mail when it's done so that you can see exactly what the briefing looks like. Okay, please let me know. And that's done, I think. Okay, so while this is running, you can click here as well. This shows the list of active agents in your system. So daily 7 a.m. briefing. This agent is on the work and it's doing the getting the job done. And you can see that it has started doing all these things. You can go to this agents here as well to find the same thing, and let's just wait. So after a while, you'll see that all done. Here's what's set up. Go back to your Gmail and you observe this beautiful morning briefing sent to you. Okay, so let's go to this button and you can see all the functions here. Click on connection and then click on the available service here, and you can see that I've just connected Google. Let's go and connect this Figma. So click on connect and you continue to Figma. You need to have a Figma account, so I allow access and then it would take me to Figma. So it's connected because I've already logged in this browser. Okay, let's go ahead and connect to LinkedIn. Click on connect here. Continue to LinkedIn. Okay, built it now. Okay, this is connected. Let's connect in GitHub as well. So connect to GitHub, and that's connected. So we have all these connections. So we have our Gmail, GitHub, LinkedIn, Figma, and you can see all these integrations are available. You can choose any integration or any sort of work that you have in your mind. Now, if you go back to Adaptive, so you can see we have this account. So this is my account detail. This is the different connections that we can have. You can change the appearance as well, dark mode, light mode. So you can do this light mode. Refresh this page and you can see this light mode, but personally what I like is a dark mode. And then we go back to the options here. So subscriptions is we are on the free plan, and daily you get about 350 credits, which is just enough for running a particular automation that you have in mind. You can try it on the free plan, but if you're looking for doing more things, you need to upgrade to a new plan. And you can see that you don't have to take care of any storage, any services that you want to use, because AdaptiveAI controls everything. You are the thinker. You just need to think and make it understand what you need, or just say it what you need, and then it's going to design for you. So I can see that we have this credits, and there's a computer storage here, and the file storage 8 GB, which is pretty much enough for me. And you can see these activities here. You can restart a computer if any issue, but I can go back, and you can see that we have this helpline here. So connections, we have seen use cases. If you go to use cases, you'll be able to see tons of use cases that we have. So for example, YouTube channel outreach. This is one YouTube outreach, YouTube creators just like me. So I need to find fitness YouTube channels in 10k to 500k subscribers and reach out to the UGC collaborations. Very good. And you can automatically pull up Google Sheets, make it ready, draft the template, and do everything for you. In my channel, you'll get a lot of contents. For example, this paperclip tutorial. If you want to go ahead and use this, you need to deploy it on your system. You need to use VPS. You need some technical expertise for this. Onslaught fine tuning. You want to do fine tuning, you have to go ahead and know a little bit of knowledge and go ahead and try this. But this system that you're looking right now, and I'm, by the way, not affiliated or anything, AdaptiveAI, you can go ahead and just put your ideas in simple words. This can be used by technical and non-technical person. You can see list of different things that you can do. So yeah, that's Adaptive. It's not just another AI tool, but something that actually does the work for you. I've linked in below if you want to try it out. And if you're building out systems like this, not just prompts, make sure you're subscribed, because that's what we're doing here. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.